Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be putting the bumper I painted onto the Camaro it goes to. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to show you where we're at completely, where the new bumper is at, what the old bumper looks like, all of that stuff. I'm going to show you the Camaro and all of that. But that's enough of talking. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the Camaro. Here's the bumper we painted, and here is the old bumper. It's not too nice, as you know. It's pretty beat up. I'm not gonna waste my time flipping it over. We all know what it looks like if you watched the video before this, and you know what we used to get that bumper to look like that. As you can see, the black is pretty close. It is some swirls in this black, and it's dusty and dirty. It's been sitting in the same spot for a while, so can't really see it clearly, but they're both just straight GM black. So I'm gonna get to taking this out, maybe time lapse it. But with these, you're gonna need to take these clips out. All the clips you see here, here. This is one. This is already loose. Then you're gonna have to take this clip out, and this should come out. Then you gotta play with all these little bitty clips, which is annoying. So we're gonna take those out as well. And then the bottom grill as well. And the other fog light. So that's what we're gonna be taking out. And I'll be filming the process, time lapse here and there, and then come back in and tell you guys how I got it off. Mostly I'm going to be using flathead screwdrivers and body pry tools. I don't know if that's the correct terminology, or like pry tools or stuff like that to get this stuff out of here. And just be careful enough not to break the things that are important. The old bumper I don't care about, but the parts that's supposed to clip into the new bumper I do care about. So I'm going to take my time and get this stuff done.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, I did not film getting the centerpiece out. It's sitting over there. It was already halfway loose. Maybe the owner got it loose, or maybe it was just loose already. So I'm going to time lapse getting this out of here, which is going to be pretty annoying. And the bottom piece is going to be pretty annoying. And so are these, because some of them are broken. They're not folding the right way. So we're going to focus on getting these sections out. The top section, bottom section. Top grill and bottom grill. The fog light buckets and everything to go with those. We already took this out, so we're going to focus on that next.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, my GoPro died. Got some fingerprints on it, but that's what it looks like with most of the grills in there, the upper and lower grill at least. Still have to put the fog lights and the housing in. Don't mind my hand. But this is what it's looking like. Pretty soon we're going to see what it looks like together. So yeah, we're going to get the fog lights out, and then we're going to be putting the bumper on the car. Alright guys, my GoPro died. I know I said that in the last scene, or maybe I didn't. But we're on the iPhone, so that's why the footage might look a little different, but it might not. So this is what the old bumper looked like. We did scratch it up here some by doing it on the customer's garage floor. But if you watch the other video of showing why we replaced it, most of this was already here. Most of this already looked this bad. So that's what it's looking like. And this is what the new bumper we painted is looking like, with everything in it. Fog lights are in it now. Both sides, the housing, everything is in there. So that's what the new one is looking like. And now we're gonna get ready to put this one onto the Camaro. So I'll come back to you guys once we get this on there, and you guys can tell me what you think about the paint match and what you guys think of it in the comments below. But there it is. All right guys, as you can see, the old bumper is right there. The new bumper, fingerprints all over it, don't mind it. But
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
the black is not, is actually pretty close. So, but the bumper is super stiff at the bottom. It's bent up, so it's not letting us push the bumper up fully. So I'm gonna let it sit here overnight. We got some specs on it, but let it sit here overnight and come back, jack the car up, take the tire off on both sides, and go from there. But that won't be on this video. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Don't mind the fingerprints. Obviously we had to get it up there, but that's what it's looking like. It's not fully up there. It will be soon. So let me know what you guys think about the paint job and the matching. It's kind of dirty now because I've been touching on it, but yeah. All right, guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the Mustang videos are coming out soon. I am looking for a hood still, but if you know Mustangs or Fox bodies, those parts are becoming harder to find. So keep an eye out for that video coming soon. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch me in the next one. Peace.